Hello there. Here is your weekend weather briefing or outlook brought to you by the National Weather Service office in Riverton, Wyoming. We'll start you off with the snowpack water content for this first week of April. Take a look here. Values are still pretty low across the state, and they've continued to ever so slightly drop, especially across the north this past week. Values are mainly in the upper 60s and 70s. Again, a little bit higher up across the north into the Bighorn Mountains. This is just telling us that we're lacking the precipitation and there's no immediate threat for strong runoff or spring flooding across the state. Therefore, we'll move into the forecast for this weekend. We are going to get some moisture, and that's a good thing, especially for the west. Take a look at the upper left-hand image here. We have a weak area of high pressure early on Saturday over Wyoming. That'll shift to the east during the day and then allow some Pacific moisture to begin streaming into the far west. Take a look at the lower right-hand image and this arrow indicating where the darker greens are. Well, that's where the best moisture will be moving, and right into far western Wyoming. As previously mentioned, this will increase clouds with areas of rain and snow by late Saturday. East of the divide will remain dry on Saturday and relatively warm as it has been over the past few days. Also, gusty winds at times with this pattern, especially as that high moves off to the east later on Saturday. So not a bad day overall, but our models are indicating increasing moisture, particularly here in the blue, or the area of snow is blue. But the main focus here is where it's located, and again, that's far western Wyoming into Idaho and southwest Montana, and that is for Saturday on the left. In the lower right, you can see that concentration of precipitation, green or blue, moves into central and southern Wyoming. So showers will spread east by Sunday afternoon and evening. There could even be a few thunderstorms both afternoons, especially Sunday into Sunday evening. So we'll keep an eye out for that as that moisture makes it east of the divide. But for the most part, temperatures will remain warm this weekend. On the left, you see Saturday high temperatures. In the lower elevations of west central Wyoming, highs will be in the upper 50s and lower 60s, with mainly 40s in the far west and mountains. On Sunday, with more clouds and the showers, highs again mainly in the 50s across the central and east, with upper 30s and 40s in the mountains. So slightly cooler on Sunday, but still temperatures will be above normal. So not that bad, but there will be a change according to what we're seeing starting late Monday into Tuesday. Take a look at this map. We have an area of low pressure Monday night and early Tuesday setting up over, well, first the Great Basin, then moving over central Colorado. And that will bring what we call upslope rain and snow, or an upslope flow into southern and central Wyoming. We're going to have to watch out for this and see how strong it becomes, but colder air definitely will be marching from the north and northwest late Monday into Tuesday. Precipitation type looks to be mainly snow with this system, and again, it's in a very good location for it to help most of central and southern Wyoming catch up. But again, we'll keep an eye on this over the next few days. Just look for a change late Monday and Tuesday with much colder temperatures. How about beyond early next week? Well, this is the April 9th to 13th temperature outlook, courtesy of our Climate Prediction Center. So as we move into mid-April, still showing some blues or below normal temperature for the central part of the United States into the Intermountain West. We'll call it slightly below. And then the precipitation outlook is on your right side. Now trending more towards drier, or these browns, which are going to be slightly below to below normal precipitation for most of the western part of the United States and nudging into western and central Wyoming. So, and again, not a whole lot of precipitation in the offing. But for April, not bad temperatures with the exception of early next week. All right, with all that being said, we're here 24/7 to bring you the latest weather updates. Please call us anytime at this number here. It is spring burning time of the year, so please be careful out there. Learn more by visiting our website or any of these other links. Thank you for listening to this recording, and have a great day.